Hello and welcome to the ChessMate.ink channel. In this lesson, we'll take a closer look at one of the most powerful pieces in chess, the rook. We'll learn how it moves and how it captures other pieces. Let's place a rook in the center of our board. The rook's movement is quite simple. It moves only in straight lines, forward, backward, to the right, or to the left. But remember, it doesn't have to go all the way to the end of the board. It can move one square or several. The choice is yours. Now let's place a pawn of the same color in front of our rook. The rook can move up to that pawn, but it cannot jump over it. Only one piece in chess can leap over others: the knight. Like most other pieces, the rook can move only up to the square next to its own pawn. But what happens if there's an opponent's piece in its path? In that case, the rook can capture it. This is called capturing in chess. The rook moves straight to the opponent's square. The opponent's piece is removed from the board, and the rook takes its place. To recap, the rook moves only vertically and horizontally, never diagonally. But thanks to these straight movements, it can control a wide area of the board. Let's look at an example. We have a white rook and a black bishop. The rook cannot capture the bishop directly because they're not on the same rank or file. But with a few precise moves, and when it's white's turn, the rook can capture the bishop. Through such examples, you'll understand the true power of the rook. It's a simple, yet one of the most strategic pieces in the game. Now it's your turn. Go to the Rook training mode on the ChessMate.ink website. Choose either the Time Challenge or 8 Waves mode, and practice your rook movements. See how high a score you can achieve. Remember, capturing is not mandatory in chess, but sometimes it's the smartest move. Now you know how the rook moves and how it captures. Share your score in the comments. The highest one will be pinned on top. In the next lesson, we'll learn how the bishop moves. Continue to the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to keep improving your chess. ChessMate.ink wishes you days full of chess.